Welcome to this tutorial on how to do a reduction of shares in Eazzy Corporate Secretarial. If you need to do a share reduction, go to the Share Transactions tab, and in the Reduction of Shares sub-tab, click on Plus New Share Reduction to open the form where you will enter a date of reduction. Select the class of shares to be reduced. This will automatically insert the number of shares issued for this company. Enter the exact number of shares and amount to be reduced. Do a first save here to be able to proceed with the shareholders. Then to allocate the reduction to shareholders, click on the button Import Members Affected. All the members/shareholders holding that class of share will appear in the second table. Go to the Members Affected section to open each of the shareholders' forms to modify the figures if necessary, as if you need to apportion the members differently from what the system proposed, you will double-click on each member's line and insert the correct amount to be reduced. Please note that the figures to be reduced must correspond to the figures appearing in the members table. If you are okay that all members affected are correctly apportioned, click on Process Reduction of Shares. Reduction of Shares tab, Members tab have all been updated, as well as the Share Transaction tab. Thanks for listening. If you need further details, do not hesitate to read the user guide on this section. Goodbye.